Okay, there's Land Cruiser. It's been 1 week since it came out of the water. Oil's all out, battery's out. I've dried out all the relays, still gotta dry out the fuse. Pulled all the plugs, blew all the water out of there. Got all the water out of there, got all the water and gas out of the airbox. Over here, plugs have been pulled over there as well. Engine cover over here. Not enough room to really get over that way, so we'll go this way. Let's see what we got. Looking inside. Seats are all out, carpet's all out. Those are the driver's seats I've got in the back here just because I don't have anywhere else to put them right now. Out of room. Yeah, I got the back carpets hanging here, dripping. Back seats. This is the 60 side, weighed about 180 pounds coming out. The two third row. There's the 40 side back seat. And then over here is the front carpet. That was a real bear getting it out too. Let's see what happens.